Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 12th and our devotion is Unmeasurable Joy. Our light affection, which is but for the moment, is working for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory. 2 Corinthians 4:17. Think of an Olympic diver, sprinter, or swimmer. The short time they spend competing at the game takes thousands of hours to prepare for, and yet it's over in moments. But what isn't over is the remembered glory of that moment for the rest of their lives. These athletes can recall the joy they felt achieving their goal. The moment all the pain, sacrifice, and preparation paid off. This beautiful verse reveals something similar about eternity. What seems hard is just a training session for what's to come. We're getting stronger, preparing to hold a glory we can't comprehend. God, life is heavy sometimes. Please help me remember these are training days to strengthen my soul for the weight of eternal glory. Remind me on the days I want to buckle under the weight of that day. I'll stand in more joy than I can measure. The nighttime devotion. If we were to paddle up next to an iceberg while kayaking, we'd probably be impressed by the size. If we were to dive below the surface, though, we would find ourselves overwhelmed by its true masses. Measuring our daily struggle in light of eternity is akin to seeing the whole iceberg. The tip may look imposing, but as part of our whole story, it's nothing we can't handle. Excuse me. The question of the question of the day. Think of a problem from your past that seems gigantic at the time, but you now see as a small bump in the road. How has your perspective changed? I think all of us, at the time we're going through something, it seems larger than life. And some days we wonder if we can, how can we handle any more? And then once we get through it, we look back and see that it really was no big deal. I know as growing up and as a young adult, my mom would always tell me, God doesn't give you more than you can handle. And there were times it's like, I don't know if I can handle anymore. And then something else would happen and I would handle it too. So just know that the problems you have today, you will look back on and just think that I made it through that with no problems. So I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good Sunday, guys. Bye-bye.